Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the back windshield wiper blade on a Honda Odyssey. Okay, so what you're going to do is fold this open, and then the blade part will rotate, and it'll kind of hit a stopping point here. Once you feel it hit that stopping point, just give it one more turn, and then it'll slide right off just like that. So the blade that fits this is a 16B. I'll put a link under the video to a blade that will work. Now let me show you how to put this on. Okay, so the only real key to this is these two little bumps need to be down, because that's what's going to catch into these bottom little grooves right here. So you're going to feed this through like this. Then you'll rotate it down to those two little bumps will slide into that bottom groove. Just like that. You put it back in place and you're all set. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.